The easy way create outline text effect. Open the Photoshop and open your image. Then go to the Select Text tool from the toolbar and wrote text effect. I do this. Press Ctrl T and adjust the text. Then background layer selects. Then go to Select menu and click on the subject. Press Ctrl J layer copy. Also press Ctrl J text layer copy and drop the text layer and select the top text layer and make sure fill 0. Double click on layer and click on the stoke and follow the process. Also click on the glow effect and follow the process. Press Ctrl key, select text layer. Also press Ctrl and drag and drop text. Also adjust the text. Now, we create outline text effect.